Hello, I'm Pierre. I'm a French native speaker. Welcome to Learn French in the Car. Learn French in the Car, Lesson 1 at the bakery. In this series, you will learn French the natural way just by listening and repeating. The goal is not to memorize, but to absorb the language like children do. That's how my daughter learned. Not with grammar rules, but with repetition and real words. There is no stress, no pressure. Just listen, speak, and enjoy the ride. Today, you will join my student and me as we learn how to order something at a bakery in French. Ready? Let's begin. Lesson 1 at the bakery. In this exercise, you have to repeat after Paul. In French, to say I want, you say je veux. À toi, Paul.
Je veux.
Good. Your turn. Now try I want a croissant. In French, it's je veux un croissant. Toi, Paul.
Je veux un croissant.
Nice one. Your turn. Next, I want a coffee. In France, je veux un café. À toi, Paul.
Je veux un café.
Great. Your turn. One more. I want a baguette. Je veux une baguette. À toi, Paul.
Je veux une baguette.
Excellent. Your turn. You are doing great so far. Let's keep going with part 2 of our bakery adventure. Bakery lesson 2 is just around the corner. Lesson B. Let's go back to the bakery. This time, Anne will help us. She's from Quebec. Listen carefully to her accent. Today, we will learn how to ask for food politely, the French way. Not I want, but something softer, more polite. Are you ready? Anne, how do you say I would like a sandwich in French?
Je voudrais un sandwich.
Nice. Repeat after Anne. Go slowly. Je voudrais un sandwich. Your turn. Great. Let's try something else. Anne, how do you say, hello, I would like a coffee, please?
Bonjour, je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît.
Good. Repeat. Bonjour, je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît. Your turn. Excellent. You are doing great. Now, one last time. Anne, how do you say I would like a baguette?
Je voudrais une baguette.
Excellent. Repeat again. Je voudrais une baguette. Your turn. Bravo. Well done. That was your bakery lesson part B. Next time, we will order more things, maybe something sweet. Lesson C at the bakery with Ambre. Now, Ambre, how do you say how much is it?
C'est combien?
Easy, right? Repeat slowly. C'est combien? Your turn. And now, Ambre, how do you say I would like 2 small breads?
Je voudrais 2 petits pains.
Great. Repeat after Ambre. Je voudrais 2 petits pains. Your turn. Ambre, how do you say can I pay by card?
Je peux payer par carte?
Excellent. Repeat. Je peux payer par carte. Your turn. One more. How do you say do you have change?
Vous avez de la monnaie?
Very useful. Repeat after Ambre. Vous avez de la monnaie? Your turn. Let's try another. Ambre, how do you say a baguette please?
Une baguette, s'il vous plaît.
Simple and polite. Repeat after Ambre. Une baguette s'il vous plaît. Your turn. Ambre, how do you say that's all, thank you?
C'est tout, merci.
Perfect. Repeat, c'est tout, merci. Your turn. Now, you are ready for your first French bakery visit. Thank you for learning with us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time for another lesson.